Hello friends, this is Electrobot and today I will show you how you identify the terminal of a transistor and to identify the whether it is NPN transistor or PNP transistor. So first of all I give you the brief introduction of transistor. See, so as you can see that when the current is moving out of the emitter, it is called NPN transistor, and when the current is moving towards the base, it is called PNP transistor. So internally, it is look like that. So this so collector, base, and emitter. So when I apply the positive voltage to the collector terminal and negative voltage to the base terminal, and if it is show some reading, then it is called the PNP transistor. And if you reverse that, means you apply the negative voltage to the collector terminal and positive to the base terminal, then it does not show any reading. Similarly, for NPN transistor, if I apply negative voltage to the collector terminal and the positive voltage to the base terminal, and if it shows some reading, then it is called the NPN transistor. Similarly, opposite of that, uh, it does not show any reading. So 1 second. So let's check practically. So as you can see, I have one transistor and sorry, you can take in this way. The curved portion should be in the back side. So hold it that way. So this is collector, this is base, and this is emitter terminal. So let's check it. Multimeter. Keep the multimeter aside. So first of all, you have to bring the knob at this point, at the Dow symbol point. So sorry. So this is Dow symbol point. So now let's check. So I connect the positive terminal to the collector terminal of transistor and negative terminal to the base terminal of the transistor. See, it does not show. Sorry. See, it does not show any triggering. That means it is now connect the negative terminal to the collector terminal of transistor and the base to the positive terminal of the multimeter. Sorry. Let's check it. So as you can see, it gives some reading 0.703, 0.704, 0.630, 0.630, 0.462, 0.7. So from the reading we can conclude that it is NPN transistor. And if you reversing the terminal and if does not show any reading, then it is called NPN transistor. Thank you.